Hello folks, a new tool has entered the shop, St. Paul Steam, and here it is. It's a Byrnes Model Machine, and Byrnes is spelled B-Y-R-N-E-S. Anyway, it's a 6-inch drum thickness sander, and it's a really robust little machine. It weighs 29-30 pounds. It's quite heavy. It's all aluminum and quite thick aluminum. It's a heavy little beast. 1/3 horsepower engine. It's a China-made engine, but it's a capacitor start. And let's take the top off of here so you can see how it's the cylinders and that's all put together. You have a screw here and there and there and there, and I'm not going to bore you with taking them off. I'll do it real quick and show you. Alright, we're back. I've got the screws removed. This drum sits really close to this collection port right there, and that's 1.5 inches. And as you can see, it came installed with 2 different grits of sandpaper, which I really like that idea. At first I thought, well, I'll just have one solid sheet of 1 grit on there, but this works out really, really well. This is, I believe, an 80 grit, and this side over here is 180. So you can run one through on the coarse side and then finish it up on this side, which was really, really handy. So, and you can see it's held together. It's got 2 sets of screws, 1 for each side. And I did buy the accessory wedge, which is just 1 6-inch wedge right there that can replace both of those if you decide to go to just one type of sandpaper. So that's a really neat feature. It has your adjustment dial right here, and all it is a simple threaded rod that goes through the base. This plate right here, very thick plate. And I'm told that each graduation there is 0.02 of an inch. So you can see there's little notches on there. And I found that in just the short time I've used this, if you really want to change the adjustments a lot, just lift this spring-loaded plate up and lift it up, take the pressure off that knurled wheel, and just really spin it up or down on your own. So there's that. There's the motor. Pretty simple. Belt driven over here. I haven't taken that cover off to look at it, but that's what they say. So I'm going to put it all back together, and we're going to take a couple of passes and see what happens. And it is made in the USA. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. I was very fortunate that the vac I use for the radial arm saw is the exact same size as this, so I imagine this is where it's going to reside when I need to use it. Let's turn it on. It's fairly quiet. Sounds about like a washer running, except for when I turn the vacuum on, then we're going to have some noise. I'm going to go on the coarse side first and then come over here to the light side. And it's manual feed. There's no power feed on this. You just push against that sanding drum. So let's give her a go. And because I told you this is the fine side over here, this sanding paper doesn't stick down even with the coarse side, so I have to adjust up a little bit to compensate. Okay. Okay, pretty straightforward operation. It says in the instructions not to try to hog it or force the material, and I can understand that. You can tell right off when you are and when you need to lighten the pressure a little bit and not feed so fast. So a good little machine. It's got bearings on both sides of the roller there. I don't see why it won't last me a long, long time without any problem. Everything on it is simple and straightforward and accurate. So There's my 2 cents on this Jim Byrnes 6-inch drum sander. And look him up if you're interested. I would imagine this is a whole lot more robust than any of the other ones you're going to find out, especially from Micromark or anybody else. So there you go. Have a good day.